So good evening everybody. Many people are making beautiful croissants and pain au chocolat at home. So today's lesson is going to be about how to make your own pain au chocolat chocolate bars. So I bought these shapes, they're called ice sticks, and you can get them on Amazon. They are only about, I think, €3 or €4. And you can see I have ones here that are just plain, nothing in them. We're going to make a super duper pastry tomorrow. I'm going to do like a pain au chocolat homemade chocolate bar, and it has freeze dried strawberry pieces at the bottom. So I've melted some beautiful Lindt chocolate. I'm just going to set up here now and show you the procedure. This is the Lindt chocolate. So it's 90% cocoa. It's very important that you use a chocolate that has a very high cocoa content, because ones with lower, such as milk chocolate, the bars will burn when you bake them in the oven with the pain au chocolat. So I'm going to go for target weight of roughly 12 grams of chocolate in each ice stick, and then I'm going to put them into the fridge or the freezer to cool them down, and I'll be using them tomorrow. So I've just taken the chocolate, the Lindt chocolate, I've melted it in the microwave. I broke it down into little pieces, and I'm using 120 grams of chocolate for each one. So there's 240 in total for all of the sticks here. Melted the chocolate down. I've put into a plastic piping bag. I've tied a knot on the end, and the chocolate is melted and it's a nice consistency. I've cut a very small hole in the plastic bag. You can see it here, just dripping out. And I'm going to start filling. So I'm going to start and just fill. So literally exactly 12 grams. So that gives me roughly the size I want. 12. 24. 36. 'You can see the chocolate flows nicely over the strawberry pieces. So it's going to surround them and preserve them inside. They'll bake out nicely in the oven. It's up to 60 grams here now. 72. 72. 84. 'And you can be very precise with it. You see, with the small hole you can be extremely accurate with it. 6. 108. 120. 132. 144. So those are the strawberry ones that I'm going to put in the strawberry pain au chocolat tomorrow. And then I'm just going to tear that and start again. So these are going to be the plain chocolate bars. So if you buy these molds, you can actually produce your own chocolate bars at home for pain au chocolat. I'm going to start again. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 'm just going to squeeze the bag down. I have a knot tied on it, so I'll be able to use all of the chocolate that's inside. And we'll get one more out of it. So it's very easy. That's how you can make your own chocolate bars. This one's going to be a little bit on the small side. So you can see that the chocolate just settles nicely into it. So I'm just going to tap the tray just to encourage the chocolate to settle down. And I'm going to put those into the fridge just to chill down so I can use them. Hope you've enjoyed the lesson. Stay tuned. The next video will show the pan au chocolat and how I use these chocolate bars to make my own homemade pan au chocolat. And this one will be with a strawberry twist.